you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I went on a secret mission to a food pantry that just opened. They had it kind of low-key. It's a gloomy day, but let me show you what I got. We're going to start from the left to the right. It's a pretty good haul. So, first of all, I got some wonderful buns here. These will make some super burgers. Oh, we're going to do that. We are so doing that. We're going to do fast food dupes all this week, okay? Then we got some raisins. I think I'll make some raisin pudding. Oh, bread pudding. Bread pudding with raisins. Yes. Then we've got some rice. I'm going to show you some survival meals. And we're going to do a lot of rice dishes too. I got that Mexican and Puerto Rican rice coming. I heard you guys. I'm going to do it. Look at this. I got a wonderful head of lettuce. This is green leaf, I believe. Butter lettuce? No, green leaf. Green leaf. Love this. Oh, and under that, some nice sliced carrots. I don't know if I want to put these in the salad or if I want to cook them. I don't know yet. Then I got some oatmeal. I have been eating a ton of this and I love it. Got some knockoff Rice Krispies. Some of you guys have knockoff Cheerios. I love some Honey Nut Cheerios. Oh, man. Man. Check this out. I got a whole bag of golden potatoes. You know, you can chop these up and quarter them with a little olive oil and Italian seasoning. Oh, delicious. You can also make the Greek potatoes. I'm going to get the recipe for that and see if I can make them. I got some red onions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Oh, make that 6. One was hiding over here. How you doing? Okay, stop that. Then we got, I don't know what you call these peppers, but they're really excellent. Uncle Mike uses these in his vegetable stew he does. These give a little bit of a kick, but not too much. They're really delicious. Really, they are. Got 2 of those. Then I'm so excited I got a whole bag of frozen green beans. And why am I excited about that? Because I got a whole bag of smoked turkey wings. Have you ever had turkey wings and green beans? Ooh, it's a southern dish, and I'm going to make it, and you're going to like it, okay? It's a great meal stretcher, too. Then I got a whole bag of drumsticks. We're going to do some fried chicken. I'm going to show you the secret to good fried chicken. I discovered it, I found it, and I'm using it. Now, I also got some ground turkey. 85% lean, 15% fat. You need some fat in your diet. Trust me, it makes it taste good too. Then we got some veggie rice. I guess you make this together. I'm going to make this to let you know how it turns out. I'll let you know. Then we got a wonderful bag of red kidney beans. I love me some red beans. Love them. Then we got a nice thing of milk. We got some 2% milk, half gallon. That's good. I'll get that in the refrigerator right away. Then I got I got some of this zero sugar. I think it's like a hydration water. And 0 caffeine. Strawberry kiwi. Yep, hydration drink. They're not bad. Then I got 3 boxes of macaroni and cheese. We will definitely be making some mac and cheese, but I'm also thinking about making my cold kidney bean salad with that. I'm coming, guys. I'm just trying to catch up, rather. Then we've got some diced tomatoes and some low sodium pasta sauce, so I can make some spaghetti. Or we could make some pizza bread. That would be nice. Then I've got, of course, some pasta for spaghetti. We got some peanut butter and we got some peanut butter and jelly. Hold on, the jelly's hiding. It's over here. I got some grape this time. Nothing better. Creamy peanut butter. That's funny. Then we got 2 cans of that marvelous tuna. But no, seriously, if you rinse it off really good, dry it out as much as you can with a little lemon pepper, it's good. That makes it good. I got some cream style corn as the macaroni and cheese faints back there. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. Add this with your whole kernel corn, and it is delicious. Mix it with some cornbread, and you've got a delight. Trust me on that. Can of cut green beans. I'll probably throw that in with those, or just keep them as a side dish for quick reference, for a quick meal. Then we've got some tomato soup. I do so much with this, but I love tomato soup. It's one of my favorites. That and cream of mushroom. Oh, clam chowder. My absolute favorite is New England clam chowder. Pink salmon. I love my seafood cakes. Love them. We got some, move out the way of the light, black beans. Some cooking oil. And last but not least, some brownie cookies. Oh, but Miss Brenda makes such good cookies, I'm spoiled now. So this was a really nice haul. Look at all of that we got. So nieces and nephews, on this very spooky, dreary day, I did pretty good. And I think I made some really good choices. As far as the food pantry, choosing those veggies, that was a good choice. And I want you to make those good choices too. Now, as you see, I've compared all these different food pantries and they're totally different. So hop around. Don't be ashamed of going from more than one food pantry. You'll get a variety of things. That's how you do it. Now, I want you to like, I want you to comment, I want you to subscribe. And we're going to have a live video and we're going to discuss the stigma of going to the food pantry. Don't be ashamed. You go, especially nowadays. All right. Write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. And I've got my cookbook finally coming. I'm waiting on it, but it's coming. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris.